What's going on YouTube? My name is Make Money Malik and I'm here to teach you how to make money online. Now, before we get started, I need you to like this video. I need you to ring the notification bell, and I also need you to subscribe to the channel, okay? I make videos in an attempt to give you the future that you want and have the freedom that you want financially. This is all about making money online from the comfort of your own computer, from your home office, from your phone, okay? You can watch my YouTube channel as much as you want, and you're going to find all tips and tricks on how to generate income on the internet. Now, in today's video, I have figured out a way for you to make money on autopilot. I doubt very seriously that you've seen this method before and seen these websites before that I'm going to show you. I personally have not seen any of this on the internet, and I'm really surprised because there's a community out there that's usually really on top of this kind of thing. But this is my first time hearing about it, and after looking into it and testing it and making sure it's legit, I just felt like I had to share it for you folks. I had to let you know because I really want you to have the life that you've always wanted and the life that you deserve, okay? So I encourage you to watch all the way through the video, because what I usually do is after we go to the websites, I switch back and forth sometimes. I usually drop a few nuggets here and there and give a few suggestions and ideas on what you should do, what you shouldn't do, and things like that. So I encourage you to watch the whole video. If you skip, you might miss something and have to go back. You're going to waste your time, and I don't want you to do that. I try to keep these short and sweet. I try to keep them straight to the point and give you as much quality information as possible, and I would hate for you to lose out on that because you're in a rush and you think you got it all. Most of the time there's just like small gems here and there that I like to drop, so I hope you catch all of them. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. So the website that we're going to look into is going to be called shrink.io. Okay, now the reason this is so amazing because there are multiple variations of this type of service. Okay, if you have been on social media for a little bit, you may have seen some shortened links on your Twitter profiles or your Facebook feeds, and it's just much longer links to blog posts or videos and things like that, but they end in like bit.ly or something like that, or sniply or something like that. It's that, but the thing with those are just tracking. These are just tracking the information and the data. What I think is absolutely amazing about this website is that it pays you for those kind of shortened links, but they don't have to buy anything. Okay? It's like a merge between affiliate marketing and organic reach, something like that. Okay, let's just go through this. It says shorten URLs and earn money. Highest paying URL, shorten to join, and now earn. Let's get this ad out of here. Up to $220 per 10,000 views. So this is what happens. You create the account, you shorten the link, you earn the money. That's it. It's literally it, okay? No one has to purchase anything. If you're familiar with affiliate marketing, usually you will put the link somewhere. Someone will have to follow the link, purchase whatever that product is, and then you would get the commission off of it. You get the commission strictly off of the link click, okay? It's absolutely nothing to get someone to click on a link on the internet. People click on things all the time. It's really phenomenal. Low minimum payout, referral bonuses. They also have a referral business. So if you refer people and then they start using the platform, they also get money generated from that. You get a percentage and a portion and a kickback. It's kind of like commission. So it has all of the same arms and legs of affiliate marketing, but it's not affiliate marketing. It's something so much better. So this is pretty much what it is. This is all it is. You can sign up for free. It doesn't cost you anything. I'm going to give you the tips on how to, properly monetize off of this. So what links are you sharing is the question. And you want to find a niche. You want to find multiple niches. Honestly, it doesn't matter. You don't have to stop at just one. You want to find a niche that people often click. And honestly, I hope you have a pen or something, because I'm just going to give them to you really quick. Everyone clicks on health and fitness. All right, health and fitness. Everyone clicks on relationships, and everyone clicks on like bizarre, weird, creepy things. Okay, so it's like, oh, what are the 10 worst toes you've ever seen in your entire life? Click this link and you'll see the 10 worst toes. And people will click that because, they're interested now. They've never heard of anything like that before, right? Everyone's trying to diet. Everyone's trying to lose weight. Everyone's trying to be healthy. So, fitness and health are always going to be at the top of the list. And everyone is looking for love. So relationships, or everyone is going through something with a loved one or a person they care about. So relationships are really, really high on the top. Food, fitness, and health is really high. And also bizarre things are really high. Also, you could do animals. Everyone loves animals. There's an entire cat, dog, forest community all the time. Anything to do with animals, cute animals specifically, you could just find one of those links. We can actually go to Google really quick. If you type in something like 10 ways to lose weight, look, you got all these links: 10 ways to lose weight without dieting, successful weight loss, all of this. You got, pages and pages and pages of these links. So what you would do is you would take, one of these links, you would click it, you would go up here after you click it, and you would copy it. You would take it over to shrinkme.io. Once you log in and register, I don't want to go through that whole process for you because I know this video would be pretty long if I did that. But you would go over to Shrink Me. After you find whatever link you want, you would shrink the link. And then where do you put it? This is the kicker. Most times people would say, hey, put it on Twitter, put it on Pinterest, Facebook. We don't even have to do that. You could go to another website. The other website is going to be called Shoutcart. And this allows you to get that link in front of hundreds of thousands of people. All right. So influencers on, Instagram all come to this site. And they, apply and things like that, and they are attached to brands and agencies. And what they do is you could actually go here and you could purchase to get your ad or your link in front of these people. Okay. Now, mind you, I know you're looking at these dollar signs. They're much more cheaper. They're much cheaper platforms and influencers you can much cheaper influences you can choose for this type of thing. And if you don't want to spend any money, that's fine. But I do want to kind of just give you a little look into this. If you spent $20 or $15 to get your link in front of up to how many influencers, how many people do these people have? Almost 800,000 people. 1.6 million, $60. If you took $25 in front of 500, you take $25 and you put your link in front of some of these people. What's $70? $22. This is great. Listen, if you go on the internet and you look at 10 cutest puppies you could ever find, and you spend $22 to get that particular link in front of almost 500,000 people. Remember, they don't have to buy anything. They just have to click the link. And if it's on an Instagram story, people are already swiping up on everything. Okay. So you can get, I don't know, if you've got 500,000 people, you can get potentially 1,000 to even 10,000 people to swipe up on that link. And what did they say? On the website, if you go back to the website, it says you can get up to $220 on 10,000 views. Okay, if there's 500,000 people, Instagram story stays up for 24 hours. There's 500,000 people who love and adore puppies, and you go online and you find the 10 most adorable puppies on the planet, right? And put that in front of 500,000 people. More than 10,000 people are going to hit that swipe up button, and then you're going to get paid for it. That's all they have to do. They just have to make it to the end of the site. All right. If you don't want to spend money, that's perfectly fine. You can always do, the Facebook forums and the Reddit pages and the Twitter shares and the medium.com. And you can do all of those things. I'm just saying, if you have an extra $20, you could take that $20 and turn it into $220. Very easy without any cost, with a very, very low cost, honestly. But I understand if you don't want to do that. And I understand if you don't want to do this method that I'm showing you. I haven't seen anyone else doing it. I think it's a really good idea, but maybe you're looking for something more long-term. Maybe you're looking for something that you could, scale and make a business. You're not going to get rich off of this. I know that's the honest truth. That's just the truth. It's not going to make you rich. It is going to give you a little bit of extra income in your pocket. But if you're trying to get rich and you're trying to make a longevity type of business on the internet, what I suggest you do is I suggest you click that first link in my description. And that first link in my description is going to tell you the number one way I truly believe for you to be making money online. And it's my recommendation. I wouldn't try to steer you folks wrong. I think it's a good idea, and it's for entrepreneurs. It's for go-getters and people who can work hard and like to work hard and really put all they have into something. So if you're that type of person and you want to change your life for the better, if you want to quit that 9 to 5, if you want to have that boss stop breathing down your neck all the time, then this is what's going to be for you. Okay, so click the first link in my description if you are trying to become an entrepreneur. It's my recommendation. Also, be sure to like this video. Also, be sure to ring the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. My name is Make Money Malik, and I will see you folks next time. Peace.